Happiness comes when you open the doors to communication. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. On the account of 3 successful years to Amitta Psychology Clinic, we have arranged a happiness camp. Music, fun activities, and many more. They performed various tasks, shared their experiences of how they are now leading a happy life. We have awarded many participants who successfully defeated their mental health issues and now are leading a very happy life. Cocktail therapy has an effective approach for mental.
मानसिक अवसादग्रस्त लोगों के बेहतर स्वास्थ्य के लिए जयपुर में वार्षिक हैप्पीनेस कैंप का आयोजन किया गया। इस कैंप के तहत जीवन के विजेता नाम से पुरस्कार भी दिए गए। इस शिविर में प्रसिद्ध मनोवैज्ञानिक डॉक्टर अमिता श्रृंगी ने बताया कि बिना दवाओं के कॉकटेल थेरेपी के तहत अवसाद के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ी जा सकती है। इस समारोह में श्री मालू और पुष्पेंद्र भारद्वाज भी उपस्थित रहेगा।
Says founder Dr. Amitta Shringi, Amitta Psychology Clinic, Jaipur. Up till now we have empowered over 8,000 lives on the path to wellness and recovery. The camp was graced by the presence of esteemed individuals like Shri Maloo sir and Pushpendra Bharadwaj sir. Indeed, a wonderful and impactful event.